KG2, good morning. So KG2, in our last class, we have done page number 9 in your big English book. Okay, and today we are going to do the next page. And before doing that, let me tell you that yesterday you have done practice of letter A to F both in capital and small 3 times in your homework notebook. Okay, now we are going to do the next letters in the next page. Yes, so take out page number 10. Page number 10 in your big book of English, and here we are going to trace the letter first, then we are going to rewrite it one more time in the book. Okay, so here it is letter G, and listen carefully students that you have to write a perfect G. Have to write a perfect G. So for writing capital G, what you need to do? You need to draw a big left curve, write letter C, and after that have to go up to the second line and you have to stop here. After it, get inside, come out and make a standing line here and stop here. Did you get it? Or shall I tell you one more time? Let me erase it. Then I will tell you one more time. Okay? Now see here. For writing capital letter G, write a big left curve like C, and you have to go up to the middle line, stop here, draw a sleeping line, trace it again, and from here you need to draw a standing line and stop. This is G. If you are going to write letter G like this is wrong. This is not the correct G. You need to write G like this only. Okay? Now did you get how you have to write letter G? You have to write letter G just as it is given in the book. Okay? And this is small letter G. So for this you have to go like A. A small left curve, go up, come down to the fourth line, standing, and a curve. This is letter G. Capital letter G and small letter G. I am going to rewrite here. A big left curve, touch the third line, go up, stop here, sleeping line, trace it again, and from here draw a standing line. This is capital letter G, and here small letter G. A small left curve, go up, come standing down, and after that a little curve, stop. So this was letter G. Now for H, it is very easy. Standing line, one more standing line, the sleeping line. This is capital letter H. And for small letter H, standing line, and from here you have to go up, take a curve to the second line, come down, small letter H, two standing lines and a sleeping line, H. One standing line, you have to go slowly for making a perfect letter, H. Now letter I. For I, draw a standing line, a straight standing line. If it doesn't go, just erase it. Standing line, a sleeping line on the top, a sleeping line at the bottom. Capital letter I. Small letter I, for small letter I, you have to use these two lines, the middle two lines, a small standing line with a dot. I. Capital letter I, a standing line, two sleeping lines. Small letter I, a standing line with a dot. I. Now J. Just like I, you have to go for J, but it is not a complete standing line. It goes like standing first, and from here it bends to draw a curve. See it again. Standing, then bend to draw a curve, a line on the top, a sleeping line on the top makes J. Likewise, you have to use 1, 2, 3, the second, third and fourth line for writing small letter J, and it again will go like standing and a little curve here with a dot. This is capital letter J, small letter J. Capital letter J, small letter J. Are you getting? Now next is which letter? Yeah, it's K. You need to write carefully the letter K. It is very simple, still it is little difficult. A standing line first, come to the middle. From here you need to go slanting up, and from here itself you need to go slanting down. This is capital letter K. Now for small letter K, again a standing line. After that, you have to use the middle portion of these two lines. ये दोनों लाइन जो है इसका मिडिल पोर्शन यूज करना है इसी लाइन के ऊपर. From here, go slanting up, come slanting down. This is small letter K. If your letter is disturbed anywhere, just make use of eraser. Now I am going to write letter K, capital letter K, standing line, and from the middle slanting up, slanting down, letter K, small letter K, a standing line. Use these two lines. The middle of these two lines is here, this point. Go slanting up, slanting down. This is small letter K. Now L. A standing line, sleeping line. Again, standing line, sleeping line. And for small letter K, it is just a standing line. Small L. Capital L. See how slowly am I writing? Likewise, you have to write slowly and beautifully. Capital L. Small l. Okay, now we are going to make notebook for it. Open your notebook. Your notebook will be prepared by your parents. Okay, and today your homework is to write G to L. Capital letter G, small letter g, to L, 3 times. Okay? Now let us revise the letters G to L. A big left curve, come to the third line, go to the second line, sleeping, trace it again, a standing line here and stop. Okay? Again I am showing you. A big left curve, go up, sleeping, trace it again, and from here you need to draw a standing line. Capital letter G, small letter g. You have to go slowly. Then H, for H, 2 standing lines with a sleeping line. Capital letter H, small letter h. A standing line and a curve like this. Stop. I, standing line, line on the top, line at the bottom, sleeping line on the top and at the bottom, small I. J, standing line, and in the midway you have to turn to the left and a curve. J, line on the top. For writing small j, you need to hold this line. The second line, from here you have to start. You have to go standing down, or standing, but in the midway you have to turn like this. Small letter j. Now K. For K you need a standing line like this. From here go slanting up. Again from the same point come slanting down. Capital letter K. Small letter k. For small letter k also you need to draw a standing line and you have to take the mid portion of between second and third line. Means here. Go slanting up, come slanting down. and L, a standing line and a sleeping line. And for small letter L, just a standing line. And this too, you have to write it 3 times. How many times? 3 times. Okay, KG2? So, this was all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.